Dear viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to download SPSS statistical software from internet. Nowadays people search the software they needed in search engines by typing this kind of keywords such as SPSS software free download. But if you search in this kind of keywords, it's hard to find the genuine software that you need. See this? These links are not the genuine links. They are from different websites. It is hard to get genuine softwares by clicking on these websites. I recommend you, instead of typing this kind of keywords, you should type, but look at this. This is the version this is running in nowadays. Instead of typing this kind of keywords, I will recommend you to type SPSS Statistics Desktop Installer Trial. Look at this. We have got the genuine link, IBM trial download SPSS. Here is the IBM's website. You can download your SPSS statistics software from here. This is the IBM's website. You can download it from here also by searching the same kind of keyword, SPSS Statistics Installer Desktop Trial. Here is the software 22 version. Look at this, is the same page that we have found before. Here's three different kind of operating system: Windows, Linux and Mac. You can download for your different operating system from here. I have Windows operating system, so I have clicked on Windows and click on continue. Here is the website, IBM SPSS Statistics. Look at this. You have to buy it at $99, but you can start free trial. Look at this. You can try SPSS statistics for 14-day free trial. But you have to required fill up the form that have been required: password, country, phone number. You have to open an account for IBM to get this 14-day free trial. Look at this. I have filled up the form and code have been given to my email account. Retype it and verifying it to get the free trial. Auto login in progress. My account have been created. Look at this. It will take time to process the order that I have given in IBM. Here's the software subscription trial. Here's click on download. Here is 64-bit and 32-bit. I need 64-bit. Click on download. Here is different softwares that you need in addition with IBM SPSS. You can download this also if you need. This is not the software that I have been searching for, but you can download this also. Here is the software I am searching for. Clicked on download, then save file. It will take a bit of time. Look at this, 611 MB megabyte. Maybe 1 hour needed. We'll waiting for that. Look at this, my trial has been activated. After a while, my trial has been activated. It's downloading now. 43 minutes left. It's downloaded and now extract it. Here is IBM SPSS installer. You have to click on I agree button and then continue. By doing these things, you can download the SPSS free trial for 14 days. I have completed 2 steps, license and setting. I have to complete next 2 steps. See this, it's not difficult to download IBM SPSS free software trial version, but you have to remember that keywords I have searched.